70. The Dayspring. When Zacharias rejoiced over the birth of his son John, known to us as John the Baptist, he spoke of the coming of Christ the Lord, declaring, quote, "The dayspring from on high hath visited us." Luke 1:78. Moffat renders these words thus, quote, "God will cause the dawn to visit us from on high." End quote. Christ is called the dayspring, sunrise, or dawn. Isaiah, centuries before, spoke of Christ's birth in similar terms, writing of those who would see his coming, quote, "The people that walked in darkness have seen a great light." Isaiah 9:2. We walk in the light now because our light has come. To step back into darkness is for us a sin. Christ is born, God is with us. He is a victory which overcomes the world, 1 John 5:4, and to walk in doubt, anxiety, or darkness is to walk without him. We live out in the country in the mountains of Calaveras County. My study, where I write this, is down the hill, detached from the house. At night it gets very dark here, and unless I have a light, I stumble easily on my path and must grope to find my way. I have only myself to blame if I do not turn out the outside light before coming down or carry a flashlight. Similarly, I have only myself to blame if I stumble in the darkness of anxiety or fearfulness. The dayspring from on high has come, and I am in the dark only if I shut my eyes to him. All the Christmas carols are joyful ones, but their joy belongs to the whole year. It is, "Joy to the world, the Lord is come." That joy is not for one day or season only. His coming as the dawn from on high marks the beginning of a new creation, of which it is said, quote, "There shall be no night there." Revelation 22:5. Therefore, O people of God, rejoice. St. Paul, in the most difficult of situations, could say, "If God be for us, who can be against us?" Romans 8:31. We are the children of light, called to live in the sunshine of life. Let your eyes and life be open to his light.